Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube Shorts not playing. First, check your internet connection. For that, swipe down from the top right corner of your phone. It will open the control center. From here, you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which one works better. After that, restart your YouTube app. Close the app completely from the recent of your app. Then reopen the YouTube and trying switching watching Shorts again. You can also go to the App Store. In the search bar, type YouTube and open the official app. If an update is available, tap update often fix pause and playback issues. Sometimes small system issue can stop video from playing. Restart your device can fix this problem. For that, shut down your phone for the 30 seconds, then turn it back on. And also make sure you have enough storage or free space on your device. If the storage is full, delete unused app, photos or videos. If the problem continues, uninstall the YouTube app, then download and install it again from the App Store. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.